Cozy and fun!
Shall we learn the alphabet now? Here we go! Wow!
Easy and fun alphabet. Let's learn the small letters.
A fat alligator. A fat alligator. A. B, knee-high boots. B, knee-high boots. B. C, round cucumber. C, round cucumber. C. D, sitting dog. D, sitting dog. D. E, round trunk elephant. E, round trunk elephant. E. F, swimming up fish. F, swimming up fish. F. G, double-eyed glasses. G, double-eyed glasses. G. H, standing horse. H, standing horse. H. I, it's me. I am I. It's me. I am I. J, feet up high, jump. J, feet up high, jump. J. K, a joey and kangaroo. K, a joey and kangaroo. K. L, standing on a leg. L, standing on a leg. L. M, two round mountains. M, two round mountains. N, rounded nail. N, rounded nail. N. O, circular orange. O, circular orange. O. P, side view of a penguin. P, side view of a penguin. P. Q, long-haired queen. Q, long-haired queen.